Okay, so here's a Commodore STEREOMATIC FUTURISTIC sound, and it's from the, I'd say mid to late 60s. It's solid state, 4 speakers. If I sound funny, I just had some dental work done, so the numbing's still there. So yeah, that might be why I sound weird, but I'm okay. But anyway, AM doesn't work on this POS, and this is the volume control at minimum setting. AM doesn't work at all. Here's the tone. Now what's stupid is, so for the record player, because it has a phono input, this is the tone control, and this is how you turn into the phono mode, or line input, is so the tone's all the way in the bass position, no treble, which that's kind of dumb, but I guess it was cheap. And that's, sorry, that was... Anyway, let's open up this POS and try and clean the controls. And if this ends up being a basket case, well then, you know what? I know it's getting cold, so we can throw this on the burn pile if it ends up being a basket case. But hopefully I can fix it, because, you know, speaking of cold weather, I think Sunday night it's supposed to get down freezing, and us Floridians, we ain't made for that shit. We're made for hot weather. That's what we're engineered for. We're not made for hard freeze conditions. I know I saw the weather for Palatka. That's like up. It's about, I don't know, 30, 40, 50 miles east of Gainesville. It's closer to St. Augustine than it is to Gainesville, but it's the low there Sunday night or Sunday morning. I think late Saturday night. I think the temperatures, it's going to be like 19's the low, which that's just like, holy shit, how can it get that frickin' cold? But, you know, let's open this hunk of junk up. Okay, so here's the inside. It's filled with all these cheapo capacitors, which is like normal. Electrolytics. They don't even have a brand. Or, yes, they do. NTK. Never heard of it. But you got your step-down transformer, which is, surprisingly, you got your step-down transformer, and you got a fuse, which that's surprising. I'm sure if it blew, you could just bypass it, or you could just put, what is it? You could just put a piece of aluminum foil. I'm just kidding, don't do that, that's dangerous. But you can see this thing's held together with hot glue, or not hot glue. Hot glue even invented around that time? I don't know, who knows. It's got this little this little film capacitor kind of tacked in over here. It's got this weird orange capacitor right here. And that's why I like using this camera that I'm using. This is the old camera, the Sony CyberShot DSC S930. It can do good macro mode, so that's why I like it. But yeah, you can see this is kind of haphazardly slapped together. Well, it's actually pretty decent, but it's still cheap. Let's spray some contact cleaner in here. Let's see if it can be fixed. I think this volume control is kind of screwed, because that's as low as it goes.
And I can tell you,
I don't really care too much about this radio. I mean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some contact cleaner in the tuner, and that's going to throw it offline, but I don't care. Don't look while you're spraying the cleaner, because it might get the crap all worked in the tuner. Maybe put some contact cleaner in this part too, down here. You can see AM doesn't do anything.
Help cardiovascularinstitute.com. I don't video. Buy the Dove and Anajar and Levine's. America comes directly to you. Fast. 24. Quickly. Let's imagine. 4737. Online.
Some people like their cars, and there's other people who love their cars.
Like they media.
Brands.com.
Scripture, 80th birthday, where David says, God has set my boundaries in pleasant places.
Huh.
And so I wrote a little song for him and sent it to him just for his birthday. But that's what a great outlook.
Yeah.
God has set my boundaries. God, thank you for setting my boundaries in beautiful places like in. That's great.
Yeah. The Joy FM.
Trending music.
Hey, this is Brandon Heath. I know you're gonna see me through it. If anybody can, you can do it. And whenever my heart goes,
There's the Christian Contemporary station, which is actually pretty decent. There's the rock station. I think this is 98 rock, or 97.1. Maybe this is...
restrictions apply.
That may be 98 rock, I'm not sure. That's 98 rock. That's, I think, 98.7 the sharp. WPBB. So yeah, there you go. It's a toilet radio. It may get tossed on the burn pile, who knows. And apparently this belonged to Lyle Albert. Whoever that is.